Welcome to the STEM Tinkering Lab, where science, technology, engineering, and math collide to create endless possibilities. Whether you're solving problems, designing cool experiments, or building exciting contraptions, this is your space to explore, experiment, and bring ideas to life. Here, there are no limits to what you can try. You're free to tinker, test, and invent without worrying about being right. Whether your ideas succeed, fail, or go in a totally unexpected direction, every step is a new discovery. And don't worry, you'll never run out of ideas. We've got tons of exciting STEM challenges and inspiring projects to spark your imagination. So, are you ready to experiment like a scientist, build like an engineer, innovate like a technologist, think like a mathematician? Are you game? Gather your materials, dive into our treasure trove of STEM projects, and get ready to tinker, explore, and create something truly amazing. Because in the STEM Tinkering Lab, you're the inventor of your own future. Let's explore, experiment, and engineer together.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.